Hello friends, welcome once again to my channel Ojuk's Online Maths Class. In this video, we'll be solving a question that is an extract from indices. So as you can see, the question on the board is an indicial equation. Not just an ordinary indicial equation. As you can observe here, the question on the board, the bases here are not equal. Unlike the indicial equation that we would normally solve, that will have them of equal bases, then we'll apply the usual laws of indices. Now, when you observe this indicial equation, you can see that each of the numbers there are having different bases. Then how do you go about solving this kind of indicial equation? It is very simple. Now, first thing you have to do here is this. We'll have here 10 raised to the power y times 5 raised to the power 2y minus 2 times 4 raised to the power y minus 1 equals to 1. How do you go about solving this kind of question? It is very simple. Now, I have 10, I have 5, I have 4. You can see in this case now, I can only express 4 here in index form as 2 raised to the power 2, unlike 5 and 10. So if that is the case, if I express 4 as index form or in index form, I'll have it that here 10 raised to the power y times 5 raised to the power 2y minus 2 times 2 raised to the power 2 will give me 4. So I'll equally write 2 raised to the power 2, then the initial power, which is y minus 1, or equals to 1. If I keep on solving, I will still have it that 10 raised to the power y times 5 raised to the power 2y minus 2 times 2 raised to the power. I can expand the bracket of this. When I expand this bracket, 2 times y, I'll have 2y. Then 2 times minus 1, I'm having minus 2 equals to 1. Okay, if you observe this equation now, you strongly concur that 5 and 2 are having the same index. And if that is the case, in indices, if numbers are having the same index, what we are just going to do is simply multiply the numbers and pick one of the index. What do I mean by that? If we are to solve this, simply I'll have 10 raised to the power y times, in bracket, 5 is having an index of 2y minus 2. The same goes for 2, having the same index. If that is the case, I will just multiply their basis, which is 5 times 2, then raise it to their index. What is the index? They are having the same index. They have a common index. I'll just pick one of the index. I'll have 2y minus 2 all equals to 1. So in return, I will have 10 raised to the power y times 5 times 2 will automatically give me 10. So I'll have also 10 raised to the power 2y minus 2 equals to 1. Okay, if we keep on solving this, you observe in indices, I have 10 as the base here, I have 10 as the base here. If they are having the same base, the multiplication law says that what? We should just pick one of the base and add their respective powers. So I have 10 raised to the power y times 10 raised to the power 2y minus 2. So if I'm to solve this, I will just pick one of the base according to law of indices, which is they are having the same base, which is 10. I will then add their powers. And the powers there in question are y plus 2y minus 2 equals to 1. According to the law of indices, zero index law, we are told that anything raised to the power 0 is equals to 1. So I want this side of the equation to have the same base with this side of the equation. Automatically, I can have 1 here as I can express 1 here in index form as 10 raised to the power 0, because anything raised to the power 0 is automatically what? 1. So instead of writing 1, I can write this equation to have 10 raised to the power y. Okay, let's keep solving. Y plus 2y automatically will give me 3y minus 2 equals to 10 raised to the power 0. Because in mathematics, according to the law of indices, zero index law, we are told that anything raised to the power 0 is automatically 1. So in that case now, I have 10 raised to the power 3y minus 2 equals to 10 raised to the power 0. So automatically, I have to cancel them out because they're having the same basis. Because this side of the equation is automatically equals to this side of the equation, so I have to cancel out the 10. So in return, I'm having 3y minus 2 equals to 0. I want to make y the subject of formula. Automatically, I will have 3y equals to, moving away 2 to the other side of the equation, I will have just 2. Divide both sides by the coefficient of y, which is 3, divided by 3. Automatically, I'm having that y is equals to 2 over 3. So it's very simple to solve an equation pertaining to indices. Thank you.